I'm gonna give you the top 5 sites you can use to get paid actual good money by working from home in your PJs, talking with strangers. Yeah, despite what you've been told your entire life, you can talk with strangers and actually make money for it. You'll also have the flexibility to do this as a side hustle and make over $1,000 a month with some of these gigs I'm gonna talk about. Now, make sure to scroll down, guys, and hit that subscribe button because we've got videos upon videos for you guys coming out to help you make more money and get your hustle going. All right, so let's jump in and I'll take you down to Hustle Town where you can make the big bucks. Let's talk about Chegg.com. If you've had to rent college textbooks, you already know Chegg is a lifesaver on helping you save, but you might not have realized they're also willing to put up to $1,000 a month or more in your pocket.
So you're just gonna go to cheggtutors.com. They got a whole thing on how it works where they break it down. Then they got a whole thing on the pricing for parents, become a tutor. So we're interested in the become a tutor part. Like I mentioned, you can make $1,000 plus a month. And you know, that obviously comes with a caveat. That's their top 5%. And it's starting at $20 plus an hour. And the cool thing is that this is inbound traffic. So they're going to actually send students to you based on your scheduling, what subjects you can tutor. And like most of these review sites, depending on what your reputation is, how well you're doing as a tutor, what people are rating you as, is going to determine if, you know, Chegg is going to send you more clientele to work with. And the cool thing that I love about this is right here. It's tutor from anywhere. So your dorm, coffee shop, or home, you just need internet. That's all you need. So if you do have the ability to teach, you're kind of gifted with that ability to chat with people and help people walk through problems. This is an awesome one for you guys. And the cool thing is you get paid each week. So there's no need to wait on long billing cycles. It's going to happen every single week. And we're just kind of take a look here. You know, they got calculus, biology, computer science, antitrust law, voice lessons, even astrophysics, zoology, and just thousands and thousands more. You can check that out for yourself. And the cool thing here is you don't have to teach college, you know, age kids or professionals. It can be middle and high school individuals as well. So this is something that you guys can check out. You're just going to come here, hit sign up, and you can get started with this and take a look at what they have to offer at Chegg Tutors.
SiteStaff is a live chat software used by small businesses. The company hires virtual chat agents to work from home. It's a good way to make $10 an hour for simply chatting with people via chat boxes on websites. You must be able to type about 65 to 75 words per minute and have a reliable computer.
So some things that they're going to ask for, apart from what I've already laid out, is they're going to want you to, as I mentioned, constantly type 65 to 75 words per minute. They want perfect punctuation, grammar, and spelling. That way you look professional. And with things like Grammarly plugins that you can use, that shouldn't be hard to do at all, guys. Ability to multitask, chat hosts carry on 3 to 4 conversations at a time. You're going to need problem solving since you are doing customer service for these businesses that they're hiring you out to. Self-discipline, I think that, you know, that goes without saying. Dependable and flexible. Team player. Other cool things here where you can possibly make some more money is being bilingual, the ability to speak Spanish and English. That's a great plus if you have that ability or some other language. And if you bring any prior customer service or administrative chat experience, these are all things that they're going to help you bump up more and pay for. And they're Denver based, so we're looking to add a few chat hosts, provide amazing service from our home office. So if you do live in the Denver area, you can actually work there at their home office, or, you know, you can just work from the comfort of your home. So you'd come down in here, you would fill this out, and you'd submit that. They would reach back out to you.
Now, one of the best on this list is VIPKID or VIPKID. It's not going to be for everyone, but if you meet the requirements, this is by far one of the most lucrative online chatting jobs you could possibly have. It's an innovative platform that allows teachers to take their careers online and make more money than they would be able to do in an actual school. As a VIPKID teacher, you help students across China learn English. Now, you'll need at least a bachelor's degree to apply. You need 1 year of teaching experience. But the cool thing is, this doesn't need to be in a formal school. It can be tutoring, teaching Bible classes, any of that kind of stuff, and you won't need a resume or cover letter, but you do need a good internet connection, which should kind of come with common sense.
The thing that I really like about this, guys, is it's $22 an hour, and you get to pick your own hours, which is awesome. So if you want to work every day, you can. If you only want to work on Tuesdays or, you know, Wednesdays nights, you can do that. You can set it up to teach English to Chinese students whenever you would like. And the cool thing on top of the $22 that you can make is you can also make money off of referrals, incentives, and other opportunities. Now, I really like the referrals part because as a teacher, what I would do here if I was teaching English is I would start my own YouTube channel talking about my experience with VIPKID, and then I would point my friends to that YouTube channel to use my referrals. Or if you write a blog, you could go through that process. People are going to want to know about what's the process like as a VIPKID teacher. What's it really like? How can I actually get hired and go through things? But this is an awesome one, guys. Check this out if you have, those requirements. I think this would be an awesome one for you to do at home, setting your own hours to make some serious money.
Now, if you love tech and are already familiar with Apple products, you won't find a better stay-at-home job than the Apple at-Home Advisor. Essentially, you're an Apple customer service agent just with a fancier name. Now, most of the support you'll do is via chat, so you don't have to worry about talking a lot, although you might have to hop on the telephone every once in a while. In addition to the paid training, you also get paid vacations, paid discounts, and opportunities to grow. All that makes the Apple customer service agent gig pretty sweet, honestly.
Guys, and you can kind of see here, it's super easy. Just hop on here, apply for the positions. You can learn more about what exactly goes into it. But I honestly love Apple. I use a lot of Apple products. I like how they do treat their employees. I like a lot of the ethos of the business. So this would actually be a good one to work from home on. I've had a great experience with customer service from Apple when I've needed it. And so I think their training's pretty top notch and a great company to work for, so check that out.
The last one I'll mention is Weebly.com, which is a website builder platform, and you can make great money by providing email replies and customer support to their customers. Now, you can work part-time for them, averaging about 20 to 25 hours a week with pay around $17 per hour. So it's a great part-time gig.
It's a really cool platform to use. If you used Wix before, it's very similar. The only thing is a lot of people who work with the customer service at Wix at their support center have really said that it sucks. So Weebly might be the better option for you, might be the better pay. Seems like people in the customer support section have had a better experience working with Weebly. So go ahead and check that out.
If you're serious about wanting to know about other hustles going on, make sure to subscribe and check out some of the other videos we've got lined up right here for you. We'll see you later, and remember to subscribe to be part of the growing community.